Hello friends, now we are at the Chennai railway station. The platform view of the station. On looking to that side, there is a Nehru Stadium. One of the biggest stadium in Chennai, where Asian Commonwealth Games can also be conducted.